Rahul, I have done it before 2 days ago, and I unequivocally condemn this shoe throwing planning incident against the Chief Justice of India. It's totally unacceptable. Violence is never an answer, especially to an oral remark or a debate. But the hypocrisy and double standards are just, I'm sorry, there's no other word for it, diabolical. It is amusing to note that those who rejoiced when BJP leaders Sushil Rinku, Vishnuvardhan Reddy, Rekha Gupta, Bhupendra Yadav, Kangana Ranaut were slapped, beaten, stripped, had shoes hurled at them, are today demanding the arrest of Ajit Bharti for exercising his freedom of speech. Look, I reiterate, I condemn anyone who takes law into his own hands across the board, and when it is done by every politician or leader cutting across party lines. But these fake activists and usual suspects only highlight the cases selectively. Like right now, they are only saying that, look, this has happened because the Chief Justice was Dalit, without in fact knowing that the person who hurled the shoe at him or was planning to could also be a Dalit. Now, do these people ever highlight, for example, the arson and murder spree in Bangalore over alleged blasphemy by a Dalit? Or smashing an Ambedkar statue, brandishing swords and beating Dalit families after they protested a Muslim assaulting Dalit girl, Sarita? Was that ever in news? Or nearly lynching Dalit Jayant Bhati, who offered wearing a Pathan suit, threatening death if he wore again? And these guys never outrage on the other incidents that happened. On, for example, the BSP selecting a candidate, a man who offered 51 crores to anyone who beheaded Charlie Hebdo journalists. Or when Mehbooba Mufti selects a rape accused as a candidate or condones the death of Wani the terrorist. Or when rape accused bishop is welcomed on the streets of Jalandhar by the church officials and believers. Or when the ex-vice president presents an award to the PFI chief. Or when a Congress MLA says he won't work for Dalits as they didn't vote for him. Or when Congress Harish Rawat says those who kill a cow have no right to live in India. Or when an SPG legislator slaps a woman entering Haji Ali. Or when Congress legislators demand hanging of Kamlesh Tiwari. Or when Yasin Malik is celebrated by Manmohan Singh. Or when CM Stalin felicitates the man convicted in Rajiv Gandhi assassination. Or CPIM leaders in their hundreds giving a rousing send-off to their convicted colleagues being sent to jail for pinning down RSS leader Master Sadanandan and sawing both his legs. Then it is not mainstreaming of violence. And in any case, do they not know that according to the latest NCRB report, a total of 57,789 cases of crimes against scheduled castes were registered across India. 28.7 per lakh SC population. Madhya Pradesh is ranked 1. But do you know which is ranked 2nd? Rajasthan 69.1. And before you say it is a BJP ruled state, the data is of 2023 when Congress was ruling Rajasthan.
Let me just